Muscle rolls. There are 6 different types of muscle rolls. Number 1 being agonist. These are the prime movers that provide major force to complete a movement. A sporting example would be tricep bronchi contracts, producing a shortening contraction during an up phase of a push-up. Muscle roll number 2 would be synergist. A synergist muscle are muscles that assist other muscles and helps the agonist function effectively. A sporting example would be the chest, tricep and shoulder working together to do a push-up. Another muscle roll would be the antagonist. The antagonist muscles help to create an opposing joint torque to the agonist muscles. The torque can aid in controlling motion. A sporting example would be when doing a bicep curl, the tricep relaxes as it's the antagonist. Another muscle roll would be fixators, a muscle that stabilizes the origin of the agonist. It helps the agonist function most effectively. Sporting example of this would be in the hip muscles such as the erector spinae help fixate. Another muscle roll would be the origin. The origin is the fixed attachment at the ends of the bones. They are attached by tendons. An example would be in the upper leg, the end of the rectus formis attaches to the pelvic joint. This helps stabilization. Another muscle roll would be insertion. The insertion of a muscle is the structure that it attaches and tends to be moved by the contraction of the muscle. An example would be where the bicep connects to the ulna via the tendon to create a movement.